Founded in 1998, Hebei Hongyuanda Sports Goods Company Limited is a professional manufacturer specializing in indoor and outdoor table tennis equipment in Hebei, China. The company is ISO certified, and its products meet multiple national standards as well as requirements from international sports organizations. Premium SMC and MDF tabletops are combined with advanced curtain coating and eco-friendly UV finishing to ensure excellent flatness, consistent rebound, and stable surface gloss. Table legs and frames are made from high-strength steel, processed through laser cutting, precision welding, and powder coating for outstanding stability and corrosion resistance. Our products are widely used for professional training, competitions, schools, and sports clubs, and are exported to Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. OEM and ODM customization is available. Welcome to cooperate with us.